Hi guys, see on this side. If you want to enable the Incognito tab in your Chrome, in your laptop slash computer, then how you can enable it? This is the right video to know about it. So let's start it. So the first step you need to take is open your Chrome, and then in the Chrome you can see in the top right corner there is a three dot icon. Press on that icon, and after that icon this menu tab will open, and in this tab in the first three option, the third option is the incognito option, which is new incognito window. By pressing on that, the new incognito window will appear. There is also keyboard shortcut to enable this window, which is control plus shift plus n. You can also do it by keyboard, so we will do it by mouse. So I'm clicking on it, and here you can see that my incognito window has been enabled. The incognito window will be same as we use the Chrome in our normal mode. Here you can see in my bookmark bar all the bookmarks which I have created are available here. Okay, it was also available in the normal Chrome without the incognito tab, without the incognito window. So all the features, almost all the features will be same. The benefits you will get will be you will not have the search history and other privacy things. Okay, so this is how you can enable the incognito window, and by pressing on this plus icon you can add multiple tabs. Okay, so I hope that you would have understand that how you can enable the incognito tab in your laptop slash computer, whatever device you are using. So thank you so much for your time guys. Have a good day.